Hello and welcome to RGB Addict, and today we're reviewing this lovely little webcam. Is it better than a C922 Pro Stream, which I'm currently using at the moment? It's got mucky lens. In short, it's not great. It's not a great story. I'm so disappointed. I love Aukey products. Yeah, I just don't know what to say. It's not often that I get something and I think, I don't know whether I can recommend that. But I mean, if you're on a real tight budget. So I actually tried to make this video a while ago, and the camera caused so much trouble with my computer that I gave up. So I've just done a very quick synopsis now. So you can get an idea of if it's any good or not. But compared to the other Aukey camera, which is absolutely amazing, this is trash. So I hope you enjoy this very short and slightly despondent video. Okay, so this Aukey webcam, I don't know what to say about it really, other than, I mean, you can see me. I'm not really blurry. I've literally messed with the settings so much, and it still doesn't look great. It's really finicky and does not seem to want to work properly with OBS. The other thing that it keeps doing is if you use the light on it, it's got the inbuilt light, which I shall turn up to full now, which I don't know whether you've noticed any difference whatsoever if I turn that off to having it full on. I think it's very minimal. In fact, I've just gone too far with it there. It's just not great. There's some really good features about it. It's got the fact that the top and the mount, you can just move it anywhere, which you've got on the Stream Cam. It's very portable. It's not massive, but the mic, as soon as you use the microphone with the light on, you get a high pitch squeal, which is awful. The adjustments, for some reason, in OBS don't work properly. So on any other webcam, they're fine. And on the other Aukey webcam, they're fine. I can understand why this is less than a tenner. Could you use it? You probably could, you know. But as you can tell, the pitch is not great. But if you had less than £10 and you needed a webcam, you could buy this. But you would really need another microphone to make the best of it. I feel like I can't recommend this camera. I'm going to try it on another PC, but I just don't think it's very good. If I go to my other camera, I'll turn this one off. See, look, it doesn't even want to let the other camera work for some reason. So this is the other thing. As soon as you plug this in, for some reason, it doesn't like any other webcam to be working on the software. It's like there's like some sort of conflicting driver. So I'll stop and start, and you'll see the difference. So this is the Logitech C922, I think it is, Pro Cam, and you can tell the difference straight away. This is the straight out the box, plugged in, no adjustment, and this is what it looks like. So if you can pick up one of these second hand, go for one of those. This thing, I don't know what it is about this little cam, and it's got some really good features. The fact that the Type-C cable, in fact that's the cable that comes with it. It's got the little adapter from Type-C to old USB type on it. It says it's autofocus. It's not autofocus. It doesn't work. It's got two little holes on the back for stereo speakers. They sound terrible. It promises so much, but it's pants. It really is. And to the point where I'm not even sure that Aukey actually make this, because it just doesn't feel like an Aukey product to me. But maybe I'm being a little bit, what's the word? Cynical in my old age. But yeah, excuse the set. I'm still moving house. I'm living out of boxes at the moment. So yeah, this has been my review of this Aukey super cheap webcam that I got off eBay. Yeah, I wouldn't bother. Probably your Chromebook's got a better camera. That's what I would say.